Hello, seniors. You were just a few weeks away from your final semester at Glenbard West. Can you believe it? By now, most of you have applied to at least one college. Whether you plan to go to a four-year college, College of DuPage, go into the military, or do an apprenticeship or work, each of you will have an individualized plan for your life after high school. If you need additional support with college or scholarship applications, trade school or military questions, or would like to explore additional post-secondary options, please don't hesitate to reach out to your counselor. We're here to help you in pursuing whatever you choose is best for your future. Counselors wanted to share just a few reminders as you prepare for graduation. In order to earn a Glenbard diploma, students must meet all of the Glenbard graduation requirements and have a post-secondary plan. This also includes a recently added Illinois State graduation requirement completion of the FAFSA, or also known as the Free Application for Federal Student Aid. Students must complete a FAFSA, alternative application, or sign a non-participation waiver in order to meet this graduation requirement.
The FAFSA is the Free Application for Federal Student Aid, and it is an Illinois State graduation requirement for all senior students. Seniors will complete the FAFSA or sign a non-participation waiver or complete the alternative application for eligible students in order to graduate and qualify for any potential federal or state aid. The alternative application is available to students who are not eligible to submit the FAFSA application. The alternative application allows students to receive state aid, not federal aid. We have a comprehensive list of scholarships in our School Counseling Schoology page and also available on School Links. Be sure to check individual college websites about additional scholarship opportunities. West seniors also have the opportunity to apply for the local scholarship application. We will talk more about the local scholarship application later on in this presentation. Every college and university has a net price calculator to help students estimate the cost of attendance. Be sure to utilize this resource on the school's financial aid website, as well as learn more about the average student aid available through the U.S. Department of Education College Scorecard. The FSA ID is the first step in creating the FAFSA application. It is not applicable for the alternative application. The FSA ID is the creation of your username and password and will also satisfy as your electronic signature when you submit the application. Both the student and a parent or guardian need to create an FSA ID and will need to use it to complete the FAFSA. We will review these steps at the end of the presentation. Counselors are here to support you throughout the financial aid process. We strongly recommend that you create your FSA ID as soon as possible. Once the FAFSA and alternative applications are available, we will be hosting financial aid application completion workshops that you can all attend for assistance. We strongly recommend attending these workshops with a parent or guardian if you need help completing these applications. Representatives from ISAC will also be available all throughout the school year to help you and your family with your application. Once your financial aid application is submitted, the financial aid notification will come directly from your schools and colleges and universities. It is very important to set up any student portals from your specific colleges and institutions. Admissions decisions and financial aid award letters will be available via those student portals.
Hey seniors, Mr. Kiwi here to talk to you guys about our Glenbard West local scholarships. Our local scholarships are one application for over 80 different scholarships. Last year, we donated over $200,000 worth of scholarships to graduating seniors. So last year, graduating class was over 600. We had about 200 students apply. So that gives you a really good chance of earning a scholarship. So how do you apply for one of these scholarships? Our Glenbard West local scholarships can be found in School Links. The application will go live the week of finals. So it's going to open up in December, and we're going to close the application in mid-January. Make sure that you complete the application, because if you do not submit by the deadline, your application will not be accounted for. So making sure that we submit by the deadline is key. So once again, opens up in December, and then we will close it again in mid-January. So, should you apply? Heck yeah, you should apply. Any time that you have the opportunity for free money is a good reason to apply for a scholarship, right? Local scholarships are offered to students applying to all sorts of different majors, and also students applying to CODs, students looking to go directly into the trades. This is an all-encompassing scholarship opportunity for students who are looking to go through all different walks of life once they leave Glenbard West. So take advantage of it. Free money is good money. Coming up, save the date. If you have questions about any sort of financial aid opportunities that you are being presented by schools, or any questions that you have about financial aid, make sure to sign up for the Glenbard Hour Support Days in the MERC, or better yet, come ask your counselor. But take advantage of those Glenbard Hour Days. It's a great opportunity to get some questions answered. So, once again, make sure that you have everything ready to go. We are getting close to the final steps of your senior year. Make sure that we finish strong and absolutely go West.
Perhaps you're a student, parent, or loan borrower who needs to apply for financial aid, electronically sign your FAFSA form, or access other benefits on studentaid.gov. To take full advantage of all our resources and log into studentaid.gov, you'll have to first create an FSA ID. Your FSA ID gives you access to Federal Student Aid's platform and can serve as your legal signature. Your FSA ID is your account username and password. To prepare to create your FSA ID, have your Social Security number, mobile phone, and/or your personal email address handy. To start, navigate to studentaid.gov and select Create Account. Once you're on the Create Account page, select the Get Started button. If you are completing a FAFSA form and are considered a dependent student, keep in mind that you will need to create your own separate FSA ID using your own personal information. A mobile phone number, email address, and Social Security number can be associated with only one FSA ID. For helpful tips throughout the FSA ID creation process, select the question mark icons that display next to each field. Next, you'll create your username, enter an email address, and create your password. We recommend not using your school-based email address, since you will need to access your federal student aid account after you graduate. Make sure you don't include private information, such as your name or date of birth, as part of your password. Quick tip: remember, an email address can be associated with only one username and password. Next, enter your permanent address and mobile phone number. Indicate if you want to use your mobile phone for account access. We highly recommend this option, as it allows you to use your mobile for two-step verification and will help you access your account if you forget your username or password in the future. After selecting Continue, you'll be prompted to choose your communications preferences. On the Communications Preferences screen, select if you'd like to receive required communications from us via email or by postal mail. We recommend email. Besides the required communications, we'll occasionally send you informational communications about grants, student loan forgiveness, or income-based repayment plans you may qualify for. You can opt to receive these by email, text message, or both, or choose not to receive informational communications. You'll also have the option to select English or Spanish as your preferred language for the communications we send you. Next, you'll select 4 challenge questions and answers. Memorize or keep these answers in a safe place in case you need them to help access your account in the future. Choose a question using the drop-down and add your answer in the text box. Select Show Answer to see your answer as you type it. Your answers are not case-sensitive. You're almost there. On this step, you can review your information and confirm everything looks correct. If you need to make a correction, select the Edit button within that tile of information. After ensuring your information is correct, review and agree to the terms and conditions at the bottom of the screen. Now you'll add two-step verification to safeguard your account. Whenever you sign in, we'll send a secure code to make sure it's really you. You can choose whether you prefer email, text message, or an authenticator app. We'll begin with your phone number. Select the Verify button under SMS verification. You will automatically be sent a 6-digit secure code. At the same time, a pop-up window will open. Enter the code and select the Continue button. You'll see a green verified icon appear that tells you you're successful. Next, verify your email address. Select the Verify button. You will automatically be sent a 6-digit secure code. At the same time, a pop-up window will open. Enter the code and select the Continue button. You'll see the same verified icon, confirming that you verified your email. You'll also see a green box confirming that your two-step verification is ready to go. We also suggest setting up an authenticator app, which provides the most security of the two-step verification methods. Select Set up an authenticator app. A pop-up window will open. Follow the steps you see there. First, download an authenticator app from the mobile app store or use one you've already downloaded. Next, you can either scan the QR code with your authenticator app or copy the key into your authenticator app. Then select Continue. Another pop-up window will appear. Enter the secure code generated by your authenticator app and select the Finish button. You've done it. Two-step verification is enabled. But what if you're in a situation where you can't use the other two-step verification methods? Don't lose heart. You can use a backup code. Your backup code is generated automatically when you enable two-step verification. Store your code in a safe place until you need it. Congratulations, you've successfully created your FSA ID. If you entered an email address, you will receive a confirmation email. Make sure you note your username and password and keep them in a safe place. You can begin using your account immediately, but it will take 1 to 3 days for your information to be verified by the Social Security Administration. Some of your actions in the site will be limited until your information is verified. However, with your newly created FSA ID, you can immediately complete and sign a first-time FAFSA form. You can also use your FSA ID to access your dashboard, review your loan balance, and explore additional dashboard features. You are now able to take control of your federal student aid journey and access all studentaid.gov has to offer.